So you've got this great idea for an online course, right? But then you think about all the work, the outlining, the writing, the scripting. It's a lot. But what if you had an expert assistant ready to go 24/7? That really brings up the big question. Could AI actually help you teach and earn online? Let's dive in. The answer is a resounding yes. We're talking about using ChatGPT as your co-creator to absolutely supercharge your workflow. Now, this isn't about replacing you or your expertise, not at all. It's about giving you a powerful tool to build amazing courses faster than you ever thought possible. So here's our game plan. We're going to start by understanding what it means to have an AI co-creator. Then we'll get into the most important skill, planning with prompts. After that, we'll build the course, make sure it's engaging for your students, and finally, talk about getting it out into the world. All right, first up, the AI co-creator. I want you to think of this thing as your brand new, on-demand instructional design assistant. Here's the secret sauce. ChatGPT wasn't built from the ground up to be a course creator, but because it's an advanced language model, it can act like one. You can literally tell it, hey, you are now an expert instructional designer, and it will generate ideas and content from that perspective. This ability to play a role is everything.
Okay, so we know what it is. Now we got to talk about how to use it. This brings us to planning with prompts. This is where the magic really happens, and it's all about learning the art of asking the right questions.
The skill you need to learn is called prompt engineering. It sounds technical, but it's simple. Think of ChatGPT as a genius who's a little too literal. Your prompt is your instruction manual. The better your instructions, the better the result. It's that direct. Better prompts just get you better content, period. And look at this, it's night and day. If you say, create a quiz about history, who knows what you'll get? It's a total crapshoot. But look at the specific prompt. You give it a role, a task, a number of questions, the topic, and the audience. The difference in the output is just massive. You get exactly what you need. It really all boils down to this simple 3-step formula. 1. Assign a role. Tell it who to be. 2. Define the task. Tell it what to do. And 3. Provide context. Tell it who this is for and why you're making it. If you nail these 3 things in your prompts, you are going to get gold every time. Okay, now that we're all expert prompters, let's get to the fun part, actually building the course. This is where you'll see just how fast you can go from a blank page to a finished product. The actual workflow is pretty slick. You can start by just brainstorming topics and catchy titles with the AI. Once you've got your idea, ask for a detailed course outline. From there, you can just work your way down the list, have it generate the lesson content, draft the text for your slides, and even write your video scripts. And we're not just talking about boring walls of text. You can get super creative here. Ask for learning activities, real-world case studies, or have it explain a really complex topic in simple terms. It can give you presentation content, full video scripts, and even quick summaries for each lesson. It's a total game changer for content creation. Now, here's a huge pro tip. Don't try to ask for your entire course in one giant prompt. It just doesn't work well. The AI has limits on how much it can write at once. You'll get much better, much more consistent results by breaking it down. Ask for one module at a time or even just one section. Small, focused requests are the way to go. All right, so you've built the course content. Awesome. But a great course isn't just about dumping information. We have to make sure our students are actually learning, and that's where interactive assessments come in. You can use ChatGPT to create all kinds of quizzes. If you just need a quick knowledge check, you can paste in your lesson text and ask for multiple choice questions. If you want to make your students think a little deeper, ask for open-ended questions. And my favorite, for applied learning, have it write up a real-world scenario. Okay, the course is built and it's engaging. Now we gotta sell it. This brings us to our final section, launching your course. And this is really important, using this tool responsibly. Believe it or not, ChatGPT's job isn't done yet. It can switch hats from instructional designer to marketing copywriter. You can ask it to write a persuasive landing page for your course, draft social media posts for different platforms, and even write out a whole email sequence to attract students. Okay, I need you to listen to this because it is the most important rule. Never, ever just copy and paste what ChatGPT gives you and publish it. The AI can be wrong, it can make things up. You are the expert. You have a responsibility to your learners to fact check, edit, and ensure that everything in your course is 100% correct and true. And there you have it, a complete roadmap for using AI to create your next online course. If you got some value out of this, do me a favor and hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss our next one. So I'll leave you with this final question to think about. After seeing all this, would you build an online course with AI? Let me know what you think down in the comments. Thanks for watching.